Behind every smooth lift ride, there's a system working quietly in the background. A system designed to give you control, simplicity, and peace of mind. Introducing SafeLine Orion, the next generation lift controller. Nova, same familiar design. Smarter, faster, more powerful at its core. Now equipped with a cutting-edge dual-core CPU for improved performance, seamless compatibility, and effortless upgrades. With fewer components, clear labeling, and clean design, it redefines what simple should feel like. With smart CAN bus wiring, faster setup, a better experience for every installer. Nova and Orion give you total remote access, resolve up to 99% of common lift issues without ever going on site. Everything right at your fingertips, wherever you are. Nova works across brands and systems. Ready for full integration in any modern lift. Every event recorded. Every signal available when you need it. Nova gives you the full picture. Take control from anywhere. All with a smart system that's built to last. Fully connected. Elevated with SafeLine Orion. Take control with Nova.